Getting a SIM card locked error? If your phone displays the following errors: SIM locked, SIM not supported, network lock, emergency calls only, or SIM disabled, it means your phone is locked or restricted. A locked or restricted phone means your current cell phone service provider is blocking you from switching. So, if you try to use your Q-Link SIM card in your locked phone, it won't work. Well, what now? If your phone is locked or restricted, your best solution is to upgrade with Q-Link. We offer smartphones for every budget and carry popular brands including Apple and Samsung. We feature affordable phones and low monthly payment options. When you upgrade with us, your phone is 100% guaranteed to work with your free service. Free expedited shipping. No activation fees. Easy setup. If you want to try unlocking your phone, first pay off your cell phone. Then call your current cell phone company and ask them to unlock your phone. But beware, phone companies will try to persuade you with new offers. Don't fall for it. Switching to Q-Link means you'll stop paying your phone bill, period. To recap, SIM card errors indicate a locked or restricted phone and will not work with our service. A Q-Link SIM card will work with any unlocked GSM phone. You have two options to start your service. 1. Contact your current phone company and ask them to remove your phone restriction. 2. Upgrade with us today and take advantage of our phone deals. Our phones are affordable and 100% compatible with your free service. Enjoy your service and connecting with your loved ones. When you upgrade your phone, you'll be ready to plug and play on one of America's largest 4G LTE 5G networks.